learned this in Texas.
She a Texas lie. Cause one thing they teach us is to boil them noodles. So I know she lying. Don't do Texas like that. Well, ain't no way they gonna teach us to put them noodles in that pan like that. You are a Texas lie. You was a liar. You learned that from your own self. Cause ain't no way. You learned that from the YT. Cause ain't no way.
You need to add a little bit of milk.
You learned that in Texas.
Yeah.
Sure. I ain't even better no milk. We put some lot of milk with our cheese. And then she using almond milk. Oh, you ain't learned that from Texas. I don't know.
Using really just some mustard because we're gonna need some seasoning.
Look at this.
Think. Take your salt, and you're just gonna be generous.
Girl.
Great. That's perfect.
Girl. That's all the salt she gonna put it on. That's too much salt. That's all the season she gonna put it on.
Container.
Girl.
Make sure you grab this because you cannot eat it. Take our black pepper.
Girl, I can't believe she said she learned this shit from Texas. She done lost her damn mind. Hello? Texas and Celsius. Y'all hear this?
Great.
Girl.
A little bit of garlic.
Not you coughing on top of the
I
food.
just like to shake it on.
You nasty. You nasty
So
gossip.
we have a little
She
bit of
started coughing. She got COVID and everything. Coughing up.
specifically to the meat. We're gonna take our
If she
tray,
cough one more time, put the food in the trash.
kind of all over the top.
I don't want it. Throw it away. You done coughed up too
Put
much.
it out. And now you're gonna say, are we gonna mix this? Of course we're gonna mix this up. So first,
Girl, of course, throw that shit in the trash. Of course, I don't want it. Throw it away.
because I can get this meat
Look,
mashed up real
why
nice.
people so quick to mash up stuff like that with their hands? Look.
I am gonna need
She coughed again. Help, Lord, help. Throw that shit in the trash right now, Linda.
we are.
Baba,
I get
Kenny,
cream.
throw it away.
It's getting
You
this cream
nasty.
over. I can take this cream cheese and I can break
She
it up.
coughed
into
one more time. Y'all, she done coughed on the food a good 20
It
times.
really helps me.
Not one, not two, not three, not a good 20 times. And she's steady cooking.
My most favorite way to make a mac and cheese. I think it has everything somebody could possibly.
Girl, it did mac and cheese she was making. I thought she was making a casserole. She know she ain't making, y'all know, play with my mac and cheese. She making a mac and a cheese. Ain't no way, Linda.
I'm gonna take this.
Ain't no way, Katie.
Pieces.
Katie.
It has a harder time melting, and we just want this Velveeta cheese to get.
You know what? I can't do it no more. Just go. Go. Right away.
Remember, I